How do we determine the value of a used electric vehicle?
Understanding a vehicle's value used to be much simpler. It was primarily based on vehicle mileage and model year. This model of determining value is shifting for electric vehicles. Based on Perficient conducted research of EV owners across the United States, 61% of EV owners would be more willing to participate in a vehicle ownership or loyalty experience if it helped them understand the value of their electric vehicle. The solution for understanding an EV's value has come to life in the battery passport. A battery passport is a digital record that tracks an electric vehicle's battery life cycle, including its condition, health, and performance. It includes key metrics and data, providing consumers, OEMs, dealers, insurance companies, and other parties with transparency on the battery's health.
The idea of the battery passport was born out of a need for automotive manufacturers to store relevant battery data throughout the entire battery life cycle. However, it has grown to become a mechanism to help constituent groups that need the battery data and the detailed information about the health of the battery so they can better assess value, service, and eventually recycle the battery. One of the constituent groups that need the battery passport is insurance companies. Insurance companies have stated that they are totaling up to 40% of electric vehicles that have been in accidents because they don't have the necessary information to assess value.
OEMs are looking at ways to understand more about the usage and health of batteries within their vehicles. In doing so, this helps dealerships, auctions, salvage teams to understand the value of the battery they have inside the vehicle. The value of EVs is hard to quantify when considering a total loss. This impacts the number of vehicles that are actually deemed a total loss for insurance claims. Our battery passport solution can be used as a metric or an input that goes into these calculations. Knowing a true value can help the claims teams assess value of the vehicle and cost to repair.
The battery passport is enabled by telematics and data captured by sensors within an electric vehicle, specifically captured within the battery. The data is stored by the automotive OEMs in a data lakehouse and then provided to customers, dealers, and other groups via a user experience or a user interface that integrates with the existing experience that the OEM has, or it's built into a new experience like a mobile application.
Enterprise Data Lake provides a flexible and scalable platform for storing, processing, and analyzing diverse data sources related to EV battery health. By aggregating telemetry data, maintenance records, and OEM operational information, stakeholders such as buyers, sellers, insurance companies, salvage yards, and regulators can gain detailed insights into battery performance and lifespan. Modern cloud platforms not only facilitate the collection of data sets, but also enhance analysis using integrated AI agents for both expediting data ingestion and providing unique business insights.
In addition to the vehicle telematics and sensors, what has become table stakes technology to enable the battery passport is the data lakehouse and the digital experience that both provides the battery passport and the state of the battery in real time to the different constituent groups who need to access it. Automotive OEMs that do not build the right technology ecosystem to manage the data and experience will find it challenging to get the battery passport in place, risk being out of compliance with the regulations requiring a battery passport, and their customer experience will ultimately suffer.
Automotive OEMs can build trust and loyalty by helping consumers understand their EV's residual value and health.